Gaggimate Headless mod. It's super easy. My name is Dule Rabbit, and I'll take you down this rabbit hole. Stick around. To go headless, you have two options. Hide your display, hide your wife, hide your kids, or better, nicer, sleeker, get yourself an ESP32S3 boards. I bought this. This is a free Novi. I bought this off of Amazon, pack of 2. I spent my own money. I bought it myself. There's no sponsor here. I will leave an affiliate link down below if you want to support the channel. I get a little bit of kickback. It's the usual on YouTube. But now let me support you. I'm not planning on going headless. If you wish to win one of these two, please like the video, comment down below, and by the end of the month, I'm going to choose 2 people to win to celebrate my 1,500 subscribers. Mind blown. Okay, it's a wild journey, and let's get down this rabbit hole because you want to see how it's done. This is the board we're going to be using. This is a free Novi ESP32-S3. This is a board with 16 megabytes of RAM. This has 2 buttons. We got the reset and the boot. It's the same as with the display. We hold the boot. There is a serial and a USB OTG. USB OTG has file transfers that are faster. We're going to plug it in there. Light is on, means it's connected. We're waiting for the sound. There it is. We put it away. Now, you're familiar with this. This is where you flash the display. We are not going to be using that. We're going to be going to the Github, and we're going to be using fresh releases. On the Github page, in the right corner, you have releases right here. Boom. And now it's going to show us the nightlies, but we're going to go stable just because we want to go stable. And we're going to be needing these for 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bootloader, file system, firmware, partitions, and it has headless in the middle there. So that's what we're going to be using. There is a file number 5. It's a standard Arduino file that helps everything boot up, so to say. I'm not going to go into details, but you're going to be needing to download that, and that's going to be in the description of this video. So the thing that's going to flash our board is ESP web tool. So this is a web interface. Everything I'm talking about, it's going to be in the descriptions, links, whatever you need to download, and come back here. So we go connect. Our board is in download mode. We click connect. We have it here. Usually the USB JTAG, boink, we connect. Very crucial. All the files and all the addresses are going to be in the description down below. Now we're going to click reset on our board, and we're going to flip the switch on our Espresso machine. We're going to put it to the side. We need to go to the Wi-Fi that the Gaggimate starts. There it is. We connect to it. And there we go. We flashed it successfully. This cable is highly recommended to be wired to the board. This is to control the switches. If you haven't done it, this is not necessary again because you can start and stop it from your PC, laptop, or phone, whatever you prefer to use for your headless mod. If you're stuck to one profile and you just want to use the switches, this is what you need. Finally, we have a question of how to power this thing, and this is where it's a little bit iffy, because the positive is in this corner and the negative is in this corner. So essentially you're doing the ground on this side and you're doing the positive on this side. I mean, I'll leave you to it how you want to wire it, and we're going to put it, and this goes back into the output from the controller for the display. You can heat shrink it. So I'm going to look up if there's anything to 3D print for this so I can send it together with the board. Okay, thank you for watching. This is your headless mod. My name is Dule Rabbit. Keep tinkering, and I'll see you in the next one.